Hello, welcome to Bake Studio Kitchen. Today I will prepare Islim Kebab, which will suit your reception tables very well. Although it may seem like a hassle, I highly recommend you to try this recipe, which is a very easy main dish to make. Come on, let's start making it right away. In a bowl suitable for kneading, 300 grams of minced meat, 2 tablespoons of bread flour, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 egg, 1 handful of finely chopped parsley, 2 cloves of garlic, 1 teaspoon of salt, add 1 teaspoon of chili pepper. Knead well 1 teaspoon of black pepper and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Knead the mixture well. Let's cut walnut-sized pieces from our meatball mixture and roll them. Let's shape it by pressing it with our palms. Let's arrange the meatballs, which we continue to shape until all the mixture is gone, on a plate. Let's cover the meatballs with stretch film and let them rest aside. On the other hand, let's take our eggplants and peel them in various ways. Then let's slice it into long, thin strips, a total of 4. 5 eggplants will be enough for this recipe. I recommend using as long a belt eggplant as possible. Let's put the eggplants in salt water and let them wait to remove the bitterness. In the meantime, you can prevent the eggplants from rising to the surface by covering them with a plate. Let's put the pan on the stove and add oil and let it heat up. Let's start frying the eggplant slices, which we have drained and dried thoroughly by adding them to the pan. By the way, you don't need to fry it too much as our dish will continue to cook in the oven. Let's put the beautifully fried eggplants on a plate lined with paper towels and keep them aside. After the eggplants, let's fry the rested meatballs in the same way and transfer them to a plate. Now we can shape our Islim Kebab. Let's place 2 eggplant slices, 1 horizontally and 1 vertically, on a wide plate. Then, let's put the meatballs we fried right in the middle. Let's cover the remaining eggplants on the edges over the meatballs. I prepare by putting 1 number of meatballs if you want. You can also put 2 numbers of meatballs. Finally, let's place the green pepper and tomatoes by fastening them with a toothpick. Now it's time for the sauce, which will make our meal even more delicious. Let's put 1 tablespoon of pepper paste, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of hot water into a suitable bowl. Let's mix it well until the tomato paste melts. Let's carefully pour the sauce we prepared over the kebabs we placed in the oven mold. Let's bake in a preheated oven at 200 degrees for about 30 minutes. Our Islim Kebab is ready to serve. As you can see, this kebab recipe, which I think will suit well on carefully prepared tables, is not difficult to prepare. Be sure to try this dish, which you can easily serve in portion sizes. It will be a recipe that will linger on your palate. If you try this recipe, please leave your comments below. Good luck to everyone who tries it. Thank you for taking the time to watch this far.